Hello, I'm going to show how to create a full stack application. So I haven't done it before, so it's gonna be a bit of an experiment. Right now, what I did is to create several folders. Like there's a full stacks folder that I've created at the root level, and I've created a backend folder as well within the full stack folder. So what I'm gonna try to do is to probably install via sudo, like install, I think I should install nodes and sudo apps install node.js is what I should install. Okay, it says right here that I'm not able to download the node.js because there's some error. So to solve this error, I'm going to have to run the apt-get updates. And this time, I think I'm going to go to backend folder because that's where the node's supposed to be anyway. And sudo apt-get updates usually solve this issue. Yes, it's done. So we are going to try that command again, the apt install, and see if it's worked this time. So I pause the recording and it seems that it has success. It has been a success. Okay, let's see if that's the right comment. Okay, so the node has been installed. Now I think the next step is to install Express. So I think, oh, first of all, I have to have a file. I have to initialize the node project. Okay, so I guess I made a mistake. It's actually sudo apps install np. Okay, I guess we succeeded. Let's see if it's working. Okay. Um, let's try to install initialize first. Okay. Okay, it's working now. So the issue was to install npm before initialize. Now what I'm going to do is to install Express. So what I'm trying to do right now is to install all the dependency and framework for the backends. And the next framework is Express. You just have to wait until it install. Okay. So yes, Express has been installed. It is denoted as Notes module. Now, after doing that, all we have to do next is to create a front end empty folder. So we have an empty folder right here, and we cd into this folder where I will try to install a front end framework, a very popular one, and I will just npx it. And wait for all the packages to be installed. Okay, so I guess it's work. So it says to please update the nodes because it require nodes 14 or higher, which I will do it later. So now I'm running node 12. Okay. Now at the next video, I'm just going to talk about how to run the full stack application, and then I will try to show how to connect the front end and the back ends with the API endpoints in my front end codes, matching the back end route. That will be the next videos. Thanks. Bye bye.